Hello everybody, welcome back to Suds Safari. I am in... Where the fuck am I? Well, hello everyone, welcome back to Suds Safari. I am in the town of Bourke, which is in Outback, New South Wales. It's pretty far from most major cities. There's a fair bit of driving you got to do to get here. As you can see, it is still quite dark. I actually thought the sun would be up by now. It's kind of coming up over there, but it's not. So in the town of Bourke, I actually didn't think there was any car washes. If you put it in Google, nothing comes up. However, when I was driving back from the shoot yesterday, I drove past a big sign that says truck and car wash, and it looks like a self-service car wash. I'm gonna go and check it out. I'm actually not quite sure what to expect. There's very little information about it. It might not even be open. I might just be wasting my time doing this. Give it a wash. Morning. Interestingly, the Outback truck and car wash is for sale. I'd love to know how much it is. I always kind of thought if I was going to buy a car wash, it would be in the city. However, that's kind of unrealistic with not just my funds, but most people's funds. The convenience of having a self-service car wash in Bourke in the outback of New South Wales definitely does appeal to me, and was very, very handy, because I was pretty sure this car wasn't going to get washed at all until we got further down south to Griffith, or even further towards the coast. So very, very happy about that. So definitely giving it points for that. Everything worked apart from the conditioner, but the actual equipment worked perfectly fine. So yeah, I would say a solid 7 out of 10, and very happy that it was here. So thank you, Outback Truck and Car Wash. I'd love to know how much it costs, that truck and car wash for sale. I'd also love to see a massive truck being washed there, but there was no one there. Maybe in the future, if you're still for sale, I'll buy you. So could be back here. Thank you for watching Suds Safari. I have to go back to the motel to start packing the car for work. Join me next time on Suds Safari, where I'm not quite sure where I'm going to wash the car, but on the road, I'm sure there'll be somewhere, and we'll review it. Thank you very much.